Hi students, let's have a look at this problem. Find the diagonal of this rectangle, and two sides of this rectangle are given, root 7 and root 2. And we have to find the length of the diagonal. Now we can clearly see that we have a right angled triangle here. Okay, so this is a right angled and we get a right angled triangle. And we can see that the diagonal is the hypotenuse of the triangle. Therefore, the length of the hypotenuse of this triangle is going to be the length of the diagonal. So the length of the diagonal D is equal to the hypotenuse. And what about the hypotenuse? Well, we know from Pythagorean theorem that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides of the right angled triangle. So we have hypotenuse square is equal to root 2 whole square plus root 7 whole square. So this gives us root 2 whole square is 2 and root 7 whole square is 7. And this is hypotenuse square. So that means the hypotenuse is going to be equal to square root of 7 plus 2, which is square root of 9, which is 3, because 3 3s are 9. So since the length of the diagonal is equal to hypotenuse and hypotenuse is equal to 3, then the diagonal is 3. Okay, so the length of the diagonal of this rectangle is 3. I hope that's clear. Thank you very much.